Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to organize your notes with Google Keep in 2025. Now, with a few tricks and some of the real examples, you can keep your notes tidy, colorful, and easy to find. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on keep.google.com in your desktop. You can also use the Keep application in your phone. It is going to sync automatically, so make sure that you log in here with the help of your email account. Now, once you are inside your Google Keep dashboard, the first thing that you need to do is to simply create the labels. So here in the left hand section, you will see the edit label option. So click on it, then you need to add the label. So you can add multiple labels for multiple work, like this one is for work. Then you can add any personal label. So again, click on the option of edit label, then add another label. As you can see, all of the labels that I have added are here in the left hand section, so you can click and create these one by one. After that, in each of these labels, basically you can add different types of notes. You can select the color palette in order to change the label over here. So for example, let's say I'm here in the work label. Over here you can put the notes here. So after adding the note, you can change its background, so you can make it something like this. For personal, however, you can make it like this and you can add its background. So this way, this is our work section and this is our personal section. Now in the work section, you can again add the notes in the form of to-do list. So you can click on the option of new list. After that, you can provide the title of your list. You can add as many lists as you want by clicking on this plus icon. Then you can further make changes into it by using these options, and then you can just simply add them over here. This particular section basically is not going to affect your other section. So the key here is to create as many labels as you want and make the changes inside that particular label only. This way you will be able to organize your notes with Google Keep in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.